I started this challenge with $100. Now after 33 trading days, the account stands at $12,286. This is day 34 and today I'm going to take 3 trades only, all using my 1-minute binary option trading strategies. And I will teach you the exact strategies that are helping me make consistent profit. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Right now I'm analyzing Orient chart and I have a clear trading opportunity here. The price is moving in an uptrend and now it is retracing back in the downward direction and it is about to hit a support zone which can be used for a reversal trade. This is recent support level, so chances of price reversal from this zone are very high. Let's wait for the price to retest this zone because chances of price reversing from this zone if price does not break this level are very high. Okay, price is retesting. Chances of reversal are high. I am opening the 5-second chart now. We already have a good strong confirmation candle, so I will place an instant trade. And yes, that's a call trade. The reason why I place this trade is simple. This is an uptrend price action. Price, when it was moving in the upside direction, it created this recent swing low or a recent support level. Now when price retests this support level, chances of price reversal from this zone are high because if the price breaks this zone, the trend will start shifting to the downtrend, which the buyers don't want here. So as price hit the support level and there is no breakout, we can expect that price will reverse and it will go in the upside direction. So to place a trade, all we have to wait is the 1-minute candle to close without breakout, which you can see here. There is no breakout from the support, so we can expect reversal. To place a trade, all we need is strong buyers confirmation. And here, if you focus, as soon as price goes inside, it gave this strong bullish candle. So this was a confirmation that price will go up. Some of you can also use this particular candle as a breakout confirmation because the price break this recently rejected level. So this was also a confirmation. All in all, price goes up after hitting this support level, which I was expecting. And today we have taken first trade. It's in the profit. Let's find other trading setup now. On Orient chart, the price is approaching the support level one more time and I am expecting a similar reversal if there is no breakout. So let's wait for the price to fall, hit this zone. Once price reach here, I will wait for the 1-minute candle to close. If it closes above this particular level, I'll take a reversal trade if I have a 5-second confirmation. Let's wait now for the price to fall and hit this zone. Price hit the support level. Now we have to wait for this candle to close. I can see the rejection, which is a good sign, but the closing on 1-minute chart is very important. If it closes above this level, we can expect a good reversal trade here. Let's open the 5-second chart because the price is very near. The candle closing is at a correct level. All I need is strong bullish confirmation now, although we can count this as a confirmation also, but I will not place my trade. I will wait for another bullish confirmation here. Let's wait. A strong confirmation from the buyers will be my entry. Yes, that's the confirmation. And I have placed the trade, the second trade in the upside direction again, using the similar trading strategy that I used on the first trade, which was placed here. Simple trade setup. As you can see, price hit the support level again after creating a new high. Price reverses, retested the same zone, and without a breakout, the price went up and closes here. I did not place my trade after the closing because although I have the confirmation, but the closing of this 1 minute candle was far from the support. So I avoided taking trade here. I waited for the price to fall again. And when price fall, it gave me this strong confirmation. So I placed my trade. Although my entry is late here, the placement should be here. So we can say that my entry is late, but if we talk about the confirmation, this is confirmation and we booked profit. It was a close call. So let's understand the other confirmation also. So when this 1 minute candle was forming and it got rejected back, we have a confirmation here. Just look at this candle. It break the recently rejected level. It closes here. So it was also a confirmation, but I avoided placing a trade here because I wanted a better entry. So I waited for a retracement and placed my trade here. But fortunately, our trade placement was below this resistance. So we get better entry here. This would be a better entry, but because our entry was late, but somehow we got placed here. Otherwise, it would be a break-even trade because at the last second, the price was very close to the entry level. So although I have the confirmation here, I didn't place a trade. I waited for the price to fall again because I wanted to place my trade near to the support, because if price is not breaking this support, it can hold at least so that I can make a winning trade. If I place my trade here, the price might go down and without breaking this zone, it can close here. It can close here. That would create a loss, and that's why I placed my trade when price went down again and hit the support level. So today I have taken 2 trades and I'm ending this session here because I'm not well right now. So that is it for today. I have taken 2 trades on odd chart using a single trading strategy in which I waited for the price to hit a support level and the candle closing was in such a way that there was no breakout. I placed my trade with 5-second bullish reversal pattern and we successfully booked 2 profitable trades. So that is it for today. I hope you learned the concept and the strategy behind these 2 trades and will try to apply the same while trading. We'll see you tomorrow. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.